Hi, in this part, we will see the history of bioinformatics. This is the content for today's video. You can pause and see. Alright, let's start simple. Bioinformatics is basically where biology and computers shake hands. Imagine trying to make sense of huge pile of biological data like the human genome. That's bioinformatics for you. It is the tech behind discoveries like CRISPR or even predicting disease risks. So, yes, it is super cool and important. The seed of bioinformatics were planted way back, even before computers as we know them existed. Linus Pauling was building protein models like a Lego master. Then came Frederick Sanger, whose DNA sequencing was like giving scientists their first roadmap to genetic data. And Margaret Dehoff, she is often called the mother of bioinformatics. She made the first protein database. Think of it as a Spotify playlist of biology back then. Now, the 80s and 90s were when bioinformatics really took off. Scientists building GenBank, it's like Google Drive for genetic data. Then algorithms like Needleman Wunsch made comparing DNA sequence possible. And of course, the Human Genome Project, the OG of all genome projects, mapped mapped out human DNA. It took 13 years, but hey, they were dealing with 3 billion base pairs. Let's not forget some modern heroes of bioinformatics. Michael Waterman. He gave us the mathy side of things with algorithms. David Lippman created BLAST. It's like a search engine for genetic sequences. And Eric Lander, he basically quarterbacked the Human Genome Project. Fast forward to today, bioinformatics is living its best life. Big data and AI have joined the party, and they are making things faster and more accurate. We are talking about sequencing individual cells and creating medicines tailored just for you. And let's not forget all those open source tools. Think of them as the community libraries of bioinformatics. For example, Bioconductor and Galaxy. Here is some trivia for you. Did you know the first DNA sequence took over 10 years to figure out? Now we can do it in hours. And the Human Genome Project cost billions, but today you can get your genome sequenced for less than a new iPhone. And Margaret Dehoff, uh, Margaret Dehoff's protein database. It wasn't digital; it was on punch cards. Imagine carrying those around. And now I will ask some MCQs from you. Each MCQ will have 10 seconds to answer. So you have to answer within 10 seconds. So let's start. Tell me what is your answer. Or you can pause. So the answer is C. Bioinformatics focuses on using computational tools to handle large biological datasets, enabling discoveries in genomics, drug design, and more. Option A and B are biological research areas, but not directly related to bioinformatics. You can also pause here. So, Margaret Dehoff, known as the mother of bioinformatics, created the first protein sequence database in 1965. This work laid the foundation for organizing biological information systematically, while Linus Pauling and Frederick Sanger made significant contributions. They were not involved in developing sequence databases. And the correct answer is Human Genome Project, launched in 1990, aimed to sequence all the DNA in the human genome. It was a monumental achievement that concluded in 2003. GenBank is a sequence database, and Needleman-Wunsch algorithm is an algorithm, both important but not genome mapping projects. So the correct answer is David Lippman. It, uh, David and Lippman code-word BLAST, a revolutionary tool for searching sequence databases quickly. It's one of the most widely used tools in bioinformatics today. Michael Waterman contributed to the sequence alignment algorithms, and Eric Lander played a leadership role in Human Genome Project. This is our last question, or maybe second last. You can pause, but our answer is personalized medicine is one of the most exciting applications of bioinformatics today. By analyzing a person's genomic data, treatments can be tailored to their unique biology. The other options, while historically or scientifically relevant, don't reflect bioinformatics' modern impact. So, the Human Genome Project originally cost $2.7 billion, but advances in sequencing technology have brought this cost down to less than $1,000 today, a stunning achievement in cost reduction. This this showcases how technological advancements in bioinformatics have democrat- democratized access to genetic insights. Thank you for your time. Like, comment, and share.